This is Kusmakar, and this screen recording is for restricted careers for the position of deep learning intern. So my task involves building a hashtag generator which generates hashtags from the context of the image. Basically, it involves using a encoder decoder model for both image captioning and hashtag generation. As I can say, it is not a common architecture because it involves complex executions and in-depth analysis. So this model basically combines both CNN network along with RNN. CNN is used for feature extraction and RNN is used for generating the text from the image features. So as you can see in the image, it involves giving an image to the encoder model where it generates features from the image and passes those features to the decoder model which decodes the features and generates a text which is nothing but caption and based on that caption will generate suitable hashtags. So so my notebook starts with installing both transformers and OCR. Transformers is a library which contains pre-trained models, which works on like I can say that's language models, which is used for this library is specially used for uh, pre-trained models. So now in the second cell, we'll import all necessary libraries. We'll import pandas, which is used for file manipulation, pillow for image manipulation, numpy for arrays, NLTK for natural language processing, and random ECOCR, regular expressions. And from NLTK, we'll import stopwords, word tokenizers, and from sklearns, we'll import feature extractions and TF-IDF vectorizer, which is used for generating the vector forms of the words. And from sklearn.metrics, we'll import cosine similarity, which is used to match the generated captions with the trending hashtags around the web. And from the transformers, we'll import autotokenizer, which generates tokens for the words, vision encoder decoder model, which is nothing but way to import PTN models from Hugging Face, and way to feature extractor, which is used for loading the feature extractor. So, so let's start. So whenever we'll build a task, it's always good to know what you're doing. So the first step, I'm using pillow. I loaded the image and I converted it to the RGB format. So and I set the new item width. So this is the image we have. So next step, we have to load the model. So using vision encoder decoder model from transformers, we can load the model. So the model name is NLP Connect slash VIT GPT-2 image captioning model, which involves is nothing but an encoder decoder model. And at next step we load the feature extractor, which is used to extract the features from the images, and we load the tokenizer, which generates auto tokenizers. So after loading the model, we directly pass the image to the model. So I have set the variable as generated caption, which uses tokenizer to decode from model using the features. So it generates it generates a caption. So from the image, like we can see, it generates a caption saying that a person laying on the beach with a surfboard. So we are the caption. So we are nothing but we are the context of the image. So next step we'll load the stopwords, because stopwords are used to remove the stopwords from a text. Stopwords are nothing but the words like on, the, with, a. So using the stopwords, we'll remove all the stopwords from the caption and convert into the lower form, and we'll put the hash symbols to that. So we'll generate the hashtags from a caption, a person laying on the beach with a surfboard gives us a hashtag saying that a person laying beach surfboard. So next we use easy OCR to extract text from the image. So easy OCR involves reading the, like it inspects whole image and detects if any text present on the image or not. So basically it gives the results, like whatever text present in the image, it gives the results. So using that easy OCR, we have not got any text from the image because it has no text. So next we will try to generate hashtags from the training hashtags using cosine similarity. First of all, we have to define a cosine similarity function which creates cosine similarity between the context of the image and the training hashtags around the web. So it involves like pre-processing step, like extract keywords from the context like caption, and this file ashes.txt contains the training hashtags from on the web. So I have saved it as a file, and I have opened it using with open. So next I converted that thing into a data frame. Next we have got the caption words, and we have the hashtag keywords. Like hashtag keywords are nothing but training hashtags on the web, and caption keywords is nothing but the context of the image. So using similarity variable, we'll match the question similarity between caption keywords and hashtag keywords. So whenever the match finds, it will sort them in descending order and set the relevant hashtags from the top 5 without duplicates. So next step, we'll combine all the hashtags. Like we have the hashtags from the caption, there is nothing but nothing but the context, and we have the captions from the image text, and we have the captions from the web, hashtags from the web. So using randomly, I have shuffled all those hashtags. So it involves giving it involves giving a something like very interesting hashtags. So like this strip of apostrophes involves like some pre-processing, because basically list has apostrophes. No, we have to remove the apostrophes. So next step is putting the final captions. So as we can see, we are combining all the hashtags. So from that combine all the hashtags, we'll put the hashtags on that. So as you can see, print caption, which is the context. So the caption says a person laying on the beach with a surfboard, and the captions the and next step is print what are the hashtags we have generated using combined list. So so as we can see, for the image we printed caption hashtags like hashtag laying, hashtag surfboard, hashtag wanderlust, hashtag weekend, hashtag beach, hashtag surfboard, and many more. All these things are very interesting and catchy also. So I have defined one more function which is used to put the image into a blank page, and also draw the captions on it. So this function involves reading the image and setting the font size, calculate the required text height and width, and copying image with additional copying of copy of an image to paste into the blank page, and it will paste the image onto the blank page. Then it will draw the captions. So and we have set the caption height, and we have resized the image to fit it as per the blank page, and it will after doing all those things, it will show up the image. So as I said, it is a function where to define the parameters for that. The parameters involves uploading an image, which is nothing but the image which we have selected, and generate caption nothing but the hashtag list is nothing but the combined list. So and font path is nothing but the font, like whichever the font you want, you can set the font. So output image is nothing but where you have to save the image and the path for it. So and I also defined width and height to resize the image as per requirement. So I call the function and pass the parameters to the function. So as you can see, it had created an image on the blank page, and it also drawn the training hashtags. So here you can see the image, also the hashtags on it. So this thing is additional for this, and after this, I have created an interface for users where they can go and put their images and generate the captions. I have used Hugging Face Spaces, where I have deployed it in a Streamlit software development kit. So basically, it involves creating a Streamlit file, and you can deploy and you can give to the spaces. It will build and it will run, and it will also maintain the app. So after building this, you'll basically get an embedded what can say website. Spaces gives you an URL where you can copy paste into the web, and you can upload there your image, and it will automatically generate the hashtags. So it involved me building a Streamlit file and deploying it on a Hugging Face Spaces. So as you can see, I've given the image. It will give the option like browse file, and you can put whatever the file you want. So I put the file which is given to me for testing. So as you can see, it generated a caption saying that two people sitting on the snow with a cup of coffee. So it's almost the same, because we can see the two people on the snow, and this is the Starbucks coffee. And this thing is, whatever the hashtag it is generated to print the same thing, right? So I given the comment like magical ashes have arrived. So these are the hashtags which it generated from the context of the image. As you can see, sitting, view, vacation, people, to people weather, vacancies like vacation, same meaning, but two people, and also we can coffee snow cup wanderlust. Basically this works fine. It is working fine also. So that's it. Thank you.